alien registration is a protocol for the Homeland Security to bring every alien in the United States, whether they are under some kind of non-immigrant visas or a green card, or they are illegally in the country by overstaying their visas, or they entered without inspection, EWI. So all of these group of people in the United States need to register themselves by going to the USCIS.gov, creating an online account, and a form called G325R needs to be completed, and proof of that registration you need to carry. And it also requires you to change your address within 10 days of your move while you are in the United States. If you fail to do so, if you fail to register, you might have a 6 months jail or $5,000, up to 6 months jail and $5,000 penalty. Similarly, you got to carry these registration documents, or you got to carry proof of your legal status, visas, green cards, H-1B, I-94, H-1B I-797, or any other form of visa status must be with you. At least you should keep in your phone. So this way, if you got pulled over by ICE officer or any immigration authority, then you can show them you're legally in the country. So the penalty of 30 days or six months jail or $5,000 penalty doesn't kick in. So that is the story of registration. Now, who needs to register? Who are exempt from the register, okay? Let's talk about exempted registered people. So let me just read it out to you here. Lawful permanent residents, the green card holders do not need to register because they are already fingerprinted and registered. Aliens paroled into the country, you travel out of the country using the advance parole, no need to register. Aliens admitted with any non-immigrant visas, because if you were coming to the United States on B1, B2, H4, J1, H1B, L1, O1, P3, P1, or any type of non-immigrant visas or diplomatic visas, A visas, G visas, you came into the country, you are already fingerprinted at the consulate by the Department of State. As well as when you get to the border officer or the CBP officer, Custom and Border Inspection Officer, takes your fingerprint, because that fingerprint is your registration. So you do not need to register. But people who entered into the country without getting a visa or registration, they must register right away, because it was dragging, it was hanging around in the court system for a while. But on April 11th onwards, the court asked or gave permission to the Department of Homeland Security to proceed with the registration. So you must register. So people who are 14 years or older, people, there is no choice, they have to register. Even younger people, less than 14, they need to register, but they might not be fingerprinted yet until they cross 14 years of age. So people who are in political asylum application pending, removal deportation areas, they do not need to register also.